Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in canva.com and we've got this blank template in front of us. So what we're going to do is come over to the left-hand side and we're going to click on this capital T with text button. And then what we're going to do is we are just going to add a subheading. So you can click on add a heading, a little bit of body text, whatever you want to. And I'm just going to type in some text. Hello, welcome to Guide Infinity. Okay, so there we go. Just a rough bit of text for us there. And then as you can see underneath our text, we have this icon here, which is 2 arrows. So what you can do is you can click onto this button, hold it down, and then you can rotate your text whichever way you want. So we can rotate it up to 90 degrees. And what's amazing is we've got this little button here that is telling us the angle that we have rotated our text to. So you can continually turn it completely 180 and then sort of swing it right back around as well, which is awesome. So there we go. We're just going to bring it right back. And as you can see there, it says 0 degrees. So we know that our text is now straight, which is great. And what you can do is come up to the top here and you can change your text to whatever you want. So there's lots of different options available. Some are only available with Canva Pro, but don't worry, if you don't have Canva Pro, there is a huge selection of fonts available for you guys. You can also change the size of it, change the color as well. So if you're wanting a nice sort of, say, bright blue or something, you can do that. Make the text bigger, and then you can rotate it and change and do it however you want to. So it's so much fun creating different things on Canva. It really is brilliant. And that's it, guys. That is how to rotate in Canva. If you guys could give us a like and also a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys in the next one.